good governance, one pivot of it is transparency. We are aware of that. It is a buying initiative what we call transparency forum or accountability forum. Now you make sure say all ministers ebe take that opportunity are accounted to the people in their respective ministry in Yema Kosoa. What is more good of such a forum than whatever forum he feels would have been the best? You get the point? Mm-hmm. But the substance is very important than form. Because as for the form there, meaning what is good for you, may not be good for me. So besides when we say fairness, fairness, it depends on the circumstance. So the chance said, "Dear fair may not be fair for me." Mm-hmm. So it is his opinion, and I respect that. Say what the Attorney General is doing may not be fair to him, but to a binsuno fair. You get my point? To a binsuno fair. Mm-hmm. Likewise, the forum, it may not be fair to him, but it is fair to others. And then asemna yeka. Emra NDC yeba benwane sono. There were a lot of issues and promises I make it to the people of Ghana. Particularly say, we must get to a timer. That issue of say politicians eba benwa subia omo be fum oman ni sika. And when they go to opposition, they are not held accountable. The rhetoric has become one too many. Inti say yeba obi bia onam kwan bia so ama oman na boka na watam oman ni sika no emra ne be yeden ebedidi. Even not too long, consistently nkofu bisa say na ora no akosi saying. You ask, I ask, MPP people are equally asking say ora no akosi saying. And our explanation has been that criminal issue, the threshold near very high. You prove beyond all reasonable doubt, and you're like civil, where you prove preponderance of probability. Because the consequences of criminal are dire. It can even take your life. You can go to prison for life. And the threshold near very high. And we taking time. Now yet the needed investigation. Recently the issue of Ahmed Swali. They discharged the suspect on the ground. Say Attorney General Susu say evidence available to him. See a procedure. We won't get justice for the family and for the state. And yen court, and let's go and do further and better checks because he can be rearrested and the case can start all over. It's better that way than say ube prepare ako na we di in kuku because di in kuku the only means available to you is to go for appeal. Mm-hmm. Because if you start all over, it may amount to double jeopardy. What did I make an say? Until say you be biapre. Until and no na here na you do pempen so you say some of the issues no. You gather enough evidence. And until before you be proceed to court. And it's an approach. Another AG will say you gather evidence no.
I won't come.
Member to the public domain.
I'll go straight. But who share the call by the Ghanaian people on the echo and how far the NDC government fairly say the first approach is to address the people of Ghana. Na yenchire won pempenswa investigation na yede atakudu. Na yenchire won certain times you be file in court. And there are some of the issues of Bobo say Friday or be file in court just after the pronouncement or the transparency or accountability series. And you see, you put you on record and so say the issue of say or prejudice case you can decide to disagree with him, but this is not the first time. Under MPP, even at forcing, we had people, including Attorney General Campo, being specific, said Obeko jail, yes or no. They even said Obako de if he has, including Mampeni and Kasa, Nanado Danko Akufo-Addo. They said it when the issue was even in court. They even drew absolute conclusion, say Obeko court, Obeko jail. And my MPP, including me, here, rehashed and re-echoed that statement, said Obeko jail. Yet, now no court of competent jurisdiction has pronounced him guilty. Intine, what is their locus, including lawyer Evans Osei Bonsu? What is their locus today to say somebody is prejudicing cases when that very people they said the same thing when they were in power? You can't approbate and reprobate. You can't approbate and reprobate. The fact say or making those utterances doesn't mean say you're not going to fiase. And now you're ruling on him, say he or she is guilty. Is that what it means? He or acknowledging the fact, say court war, Tino Car say or the one by day about court. It is only court of competent jurisdiction. What you say out of court, I have your own opinion, and you're entitled to it. I don't know. They all come out of court. It's your own opinion. You are entitled to it. Obi are entitled to it. But who do quarter? You are supposed to meet a certain threshold. Into yenjai form nene these trivialities.
Okay.
Now you're talking about substance.
All right.
And Crawford and public office so abo maineka. 58 million Ghana cedis. Engaging in stealing or suspected stealing, money laundering, and what have you. We are aware, say, yes, E-Block. E-Block cost this country $6 million. 6 million Ghana cedis. E-Block, yes, na efa nipa not less than 500. Now cost 6 million Ghana cedis. Now, Crawford nam position so. Abo mine firm allegedly has stolen the state worth 58 million Ghana cedis divided by 6. A throw the number of schools are to ease the burden for the past 8 years. We run our secondary schools in the name of double track and baby where to even sit and eat was a problem. Yet, people had to put up this act. Okay. At the time, at the time, even a was a problem.
Yeah.
Students were not even getting food. Schools were crying. Say, Dianemba, you videos, our TikTok, Facebook, that headmasters and students were lamenting. Say, yet, Buffer Stock had cash. Nankro allegedly were stealing. Share NSS. Share NSS. Ultimately, nipe 60,000 din. Eshemu so mo ye NSS personnel. Alleged. While they are not.
Say alleged.
Ultimately, nipa 9,000 din shame. So mo ye service personnel while they are not.
Yes,
to the extent, people say a big crampo even less than 50 years. A big enam 50 years. So mo ye service. The long and short is that it is true, say a allegation.
Yes.
A pending issues.
Yes.
Yen let us all follow.
Okay.
Now you make sure say Emrano will take its own course.
Okay.
So at least it will serve as deterrent to people. Now let's record and also say there has been time without number issues of this nature. Court na ababeye problem because the judicial gymnastics na na edoso. To go say adjournment, appeal. Now if aseman ke yesu say within a short period of time, you know, then a whole 4 years, then we've not even seek any one justice. Let's let the new chief justice say, let's start expedite actions on some of these things and put priority on issues of this nature.